Hello guys, welcome back to this tutorials. In the previous tutorials, we have seen that the chapter 5 is generally network infrastructure. Today's we will continue chapter 6, principles of network security. Welcome back and enjoy this tutorial, basics of cybersecurity tutorials. Let us continue the tutorials. Okay, chapter 6, principles of network security. Okay, under this network security in chapter 6, we will see attackers and their tools, what type of tools used by attackers, explain the networks are attacked, describe the evaluation of network security, describe the type of attacks and tools used by network threats, and common threat attacks, explain the various type of threat and attacks, then describe malwares or explain common network attacks so that in this content we will see those. Okay, attackers and their tools, what type of tools used by attackers, we will see the tools. Okay, first of all, what does mean threat, vulnerability and risk? Threat always a potential danger to an asset such as data or network, so that it is a potential danger. While vulnerability and attack survey, these attack services weakness in a system or its design that could be exploited by threats. Attack service describes the different points where attackers could get into the system and thus get to data. Example, operating system without security patch can be a vulnerability. Third one, exploit. A mechanism used to leverage vulnerability to compromise an asset. Remote work over networks. Local, maybe threat actors can use administrative access to in the systems. The last one, risk. What is risk? Likelihood that threats will explain a vulnerability claim, asset, and result in undesirable consequences. So that risks always produce undesirable consequences. Data exploitation can be done by into to remote or local. Okay, cyber security tasks. Under cyber security tasks, maybe develop a good cyber security awareness, report cyber security to authority, be aware of potential threat in email and web, garden important information from thefts, maybe organized may take place and take an action and protect their asset, user and customers, develop cybersecurity task and implement tool task on recurring recurring basis so that those important tasks can be defense cybersecurity. Okay, cyber threat indicators. When cyber threat happens, there are indicators. For example, each attack has a unique identifiable attribute that are known as cyber threat indicators or simply attack indicators. For example, United States Department of Homeland Security DHS United States Computer Emergency Readiness Teams use automated indicator sharing AI systems that enable sharing of verified bugs. So that those are indicator of cybersecurity. Introduction to attack tools. Attackers use the tools to exploit vulnerabilities. So that always the attackers or hackers use a tools to exploit your vulnerabilities. So because first of all they must understand the vulnerability of systems, sophistication of attack tools, technical knowledge to conduct those attacks. Evaluation security tools, common penetration testing tools, maybe password crackers, guess to crack passwords in guess system, wireless hand tools, network scanning and hacking tools, packet creating tools, packet sniffers, rootkit detectors, puzzles, foreign tools, forensic tools, debugger tools, hacking operating system, encryption tools, vulnerability exploitation tools, vulnerability scanners. Those are a evaluation of security tools. Okay, categories of attack, common categories of network attacks. Let us see common, which are a common network attacks. The first one, EVAS dropping, capture and listen to network traffic, data modification, IP address spoofing, password-based denial of service, man-in-middle attacks, compromised case, and sniffers. Those are a common types of network attacks. For example, data modifying after the capture data in packet without knowledge of its secret or receiver. Sender and receiver without knowing they capture and modify the data. For example, IP address spoofing is it a vulnerability of IP addresses. Capture an IP packet that appear to or original from valid addresses inside corporate intranets. Maybe password-based uses stolen valid accounts to obtain other users' network information. Maybe denial of service prevent normal use of computers or networks by valid users, so that it is stopping a service. Denial of service meaning stopping your systems not accessible by users on their systems. Sniffs or duplication in devices that use read, monitor, capture network data, exchange angles, and read network packets. Okay, so those are a common categories of network attacks. So that always when you, as you are a system admin, consider those attacks. Okay, let us see virus. What does virus, Trojan horse, worms? Virus always duplicate itself to infect your computers or disturb normal operation of your systems. Trojan horse it pretends it is legitimate softwares that collect your information to the receivers. Okay, worm components. Worm attacks consist of three compounds. The first one enabling vulnerability, so that if you infected in worms your computer, it enabling vulnerability. The third one propagation mechanism. The third one payloads. For example, enabling vulnerability meaning worm install itself using an exploit mechanism such as evade attachments and executable file or Trojan horses. So that those are the function of worms. Okay, ransomware. Malware that deny access to the infected computer or system or this data. Criminal demands payment to release computer system, so that in returns after the ransomwares encrypt your data by using a strong algorithm, they in return they ask to pay and a currency for them, then later on they will be decrypt your data to original place, so that you have to careful when visiting the website, because it is a ransomware. This problem is I encountered this such type of problems on my personal computer, so that is very hard. For example, social engineering also used. Criminals who identify themselves as security technicians call home or pursued users to connect to websites that download the ransomware to users' computer. Okay, other malware. Modern malwares, maybe spywares, adwares, scarewares, and phishing and rootkits. For example, spyware is used to gather information about user and send information to another entity without user consent. Can be system monitor, Trojan horse, adware tracking, cookies, and keyloggers. Maybe the second one, adwares. This type of malware is typically displaying annoying pop-up to generate revenue for this outer. May allow users increasing by tracking websites visited send pop-up advertising to into those sites. Okay, skywares, including scams. Software will use social engineering to shock, including annexed by creating preparation of threats, generally indicated in unsuspicious users attempt to pursue the user to infect computer by taking action to add this. So that common malware behaviors. If your computer infected with malware, often exhibit one of the following information. Maybe the appearance of strange files, programs, desktop icons. Antivirus and firewall programs are turned off or configuring setting. Computer screen is freezing or system is crashing. Maybe emails are spontaneously being sent without mail to your contact list. Okay, first have been modified or deleted. Increase CPU or memory usages. Problem connected to network, slow computer or web browser speeds. So that those and another behaviors exhibit that infected with worms. Type of network attack. Maybe reconnaissance, access, and denial of service. We can classify this classification into three major categories. It may be reconnaissance, access, and denial of services. So that the network attack classification into three by categorizing those into three. Reconnaissance attacks. It's known as information gathering. Reconnaissance attacks permit unauthorized discovering, mapping of system service or vulnerability. Analogous to theft surveying, mm, neighborhood by going door to door pretending to sell something. Cold host proofing, when directed and endpoints. Okay. Access attacks. Access attacks exploit vulnerability in authentication services, FTP services, web services, retrieval data, gain access to the system or scale access privileges. There are at least three reasons that actors would see your reasons. The type of access attacks. Passive attack, passive the hashes, port redirection, mean in the middle attacks, maybe IP mark or spoofing. So those are the type of access attacks. There are six type of access attacks as you see. For example, password attacks attempt to discover critical system password using phishing attack or dictionary attack or brute force attack, network sniffing or using social engineering techniques. Okay, strengthening the weakness link. People are typically always weakness link in cybersecurity, so that always the people are weak links in cybersecurity. Organization must deliver train their personnel and create security awareness of culture in order to defend or protect cybersecurity. Denial of attacks. Denial of attacks may be compromise. Many hosts originate from multiple coordinate sources. Denial of service terms, Zombia, refer to a group of compromised hosts, agents. These hosts are malicious code infected to as botnets or bots. Bots are malware designed to infect a host communication handler systems. Bots can also keystrokes, buffer overflow attacks. The goal is to find system memory later flow on every and exploiting the buffer memory by overriding it with unexpected helps usually render the system inoperable. For example, threat actors enter input that is larger than expected by application running on server. The application. Okay, thank you for today's. Until the next times or next chapters. Goodbye. If you new for my YouTube channels, please subscribe, like, and comment. Any questions? If you have any questions, please you can post on your comment box. I will respond for individuals. Thank you very much. Bye.